Right. We're live. Well, I am live, I guess. We're here today to watch me struggle again. Let's move OBS there. So this is the problem. I kind of like the microphone here, but then I can't see the screen behind it. Oh well. Should I go? I promise one day I might not need to do a setup. Maybe not. Because my setup is never fixed, so I think this is good. Now check Twitch up. Twitch. Yeah, I think we're good. Save. Add stream info. Okay. Good. Now I need to. Whoop. Also, I just finished having dinner. I haven't eaten my chocolate yet. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think the iPhone is actually okay. Camera. I wouldn't mind a camera angle check, to be honest. Interact. Because if I put it here, why can you now see the chat behind the chat? That's annoying. Okay, I'll leave it there, I guess. Okay. I trust that once I have at least one viewer, he will tell me. I think I have a decent setup today, but I'm not happy with the microphone. Yes, I think we're good. Okay. There's two things I need to do. Well, I also need to check the gate, actually. Because I'm pretty sure I pushed. I didn't merge. Is that pull request open? There's no pull request. Okay. Let's go update and restart. Can anyone say hi in the chat? While I eat my chocolate. Yeah, fine, go. Okay. What are we doing today? So, Hmm. I might not be I might not be the most experienced programmer, but it never happened to me that git status actually has refresh index and I'm taking time. Cause this anyway. And now I have this cable, a cable here in front of me. Oof. Okay. Nothing to come. Oh wow. But this is doesn't mean I merged last time. Oh yeah, 5 days ago. I did merge last time. Oopsie. Okay, so the other one it's status. I'm pretty sure I didn't commit one of them. I am pretty sure. See, when I started streaming, I was very conscious about eating on camera. And now I need my chocolate. Oh my god. And now I even lick my fingers. Okay, I stop this. Why are you taking so long? Oopsie. Wrong one. This one. Main. Set up dashboard. This branch is one commit behind main. Do I need to? Yeah, pull request. Okay. Git fetch. Also, it's back on being cold, although it's summer here. It's cold, so I'm having a fucking tea. I think I jinxed it because I put on the stream name, it's just me and Claude. I would love if someone else was to join me, like talking to me in the chat and so on, while I watch this. Also, I need to stop talking to Claude the whole day. It's getting a bit boring. I have no music on. Let's fix this. I kid you not, I did a whole minor at school listening to this on repeat. And Obsidian programming cloud terminal. Copy path. Mhm. No, no, no. Ah, this is gonna be a little bit challenging. I need to log into Cloud and I want to see how I log into Cloud. Because it's really not your issue, is it? Da, 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 Dun. Login. Oops. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop using Cloud very quickly, very soon. Oh, wait. Oopsie. Oh, Eliza was Okay, yawning number 2. It means I'm getting tired. Oh, this morning I could not wake up. This morning it was just not waking up for me. So hard. No. but I have a whole internal setup if I were to try to do it locally. But then if I have my local Gwen model running on Olama, then I can't be streaming. Can't do both. Okay. Okay. I go with this option. Let me steps. By the way, Hades, that's how I'm gonna call you anyway. Hades 3S. Hades 3S? No, Hades. I think the 3 is a E. Anyway, I won't be here on Thursday because it's my graduation ceremony. So I really need to start updating my Twitch schedule when I actually will be streaming. But I'm actually planning then a catch-up stream on Sunday, but then it really depends what's happening on the weekend. No idea. And then if I do a catch-up stream on Sunday, it would be longer, probably with more energy, but then also during the day, because I would prefer not to stream in the evening. The only reason why I stream in the evening is because I work during the day. Today my colleagues were just watching a Twitch streamers on shift, like while working. So I would actually be scared if I were to stream on office hours. I don't want my colleagues to be like, hey, I can see you're not working. I wish I could turn around, me too, but thank you. I actually graduated in February, and then the graduation ceremony is just on Thursday instead. But February would have been really cold, and now it's decent weather. On Thursday, we're gonna have anything between 17 to 25, 26 degrees, which, if you ask me, is probably like winter in South Africa, probably. 17 degrees. Like, come on. Anyway. Yeah. Thank you. I can't wait to wear my crown, actually. Do you want to see what I mean by my crown? Well, you're gonna see it anyway. So. Oh. Let me show you what I mean by my crown. One second. It's very important. It's super important. This. Opa. That's what I'm wearing. Basically, when we graduate in Italy, we wear this crown. And that's almost the only reason why. It's not a princess crown, it's a Roman emperor crown. It's generally the same one that Caesar would have wore. Made out of bay leaf. Because we love the Roman Empire. Well, who doesn't? Which, this makes me... I want to share something else now. I said a lot of things. So I don't know which part confused you. By the way, you know, there's that meme about men talking about the Roman Empire. I genuinely thought that he meant thinking about the Roman Empire because I think about the Roman Empire all the time. So I didn't understand that was not about the Roman Empire. Yeah. Oopsie. I guess I would still think about the Roman Empire, and whatever men think about anyway. So, right, let's have a look what we're doing here. Actually, Kotlin repository is package.swift sitting at the root level. So yes, okay. So this is what confuses me because I also think about the Roman Empire and I want to think what I don't want to think, but I'm kind of aware of the fact that I have a male brain. Okay, and I'm very okay with this. Also, my job is very male dominant, and I'm really okay. Um, but someone has ruined it for me because I thought they generally mean the Roman Empire, and then they said, no, 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 we're not thinking about the Roman Empire. It's just a meme to say that men always think about sex. And I was like, ah, I knew that, but I think about the Roman Empire. So yeah, so I can't wait. Maybe I should do my stream on Sunday with my crown on. Yes, yes. Let's see how it turns out first, because it's not with me yet. That's why I show you a photo, not the actual crown. Oh, I hope the microphone picked up that lovely click. Anyway. Package does Swift at the root level. Crown stream. Yes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. I don't even need to write this down. I will remember. I was saying that I wanna wear that crown for like a week after I get Hmm. That was amazing. Dismiss. I'm okay with this. Conversation. Why is my YouTube music? Okay. Which means we have 1 hour left. Maybe even less, depends how much I can get done. Okay. Kotlin, there's nothing to acquire libraries. I to integrate this into your iOS. Add dependency. Go to find add pen to the repository. Okay. Nice. Hmm? I know what to do here. Up to next major version add package. This is my life. I work. It's my stream. Oh my god. shadow. I remember. Wait. You are Monkey's friend. You're not Monkey, I think. Because you got the NL. Which means you are the Dutch friend. I remember. I don't forgot if you were from Almere, Zwolle, somewhere like that. But yeah, I am doing okay. What I'm doing today, actually, I'm trying to connect my Kotlin logic. Amersfoort. There was a there you go. I'm trying to connect my Kotlin logic to my Swift, and the Swift part should be fine because I should just import my package here. But when I go add package, yeah, I get a 4.4. So yeah, so I'm trying to fix why I'm getting this. And the reason I'm getting that is because my CI/CD is failing on my Git. See? But now why is it failing? I don't know. I'm asking Gemini. And then while I'm there, I might as well set up my AdMob account, because eventually if I deploy any app, I would like to have ad banner interstitials to potentially make some money. Yeah, it's just me and Gemini. What is anti-gravity, right? Why am I not using Cloud Code? Good question. I don't want to pay for it. My friend pays for it, gave me his logins, but then I saw he used 77 of his tokens, and I didn't want to finish his tokens considering that they are expensive. And I have Cloud Code Unlimited Pro wherever I work. So let's say I am a little bit spoiled to the point that I would just I don't know, I only use Opus 4.8 to be really honest. I don't even, at this point, I don't even tell it which model to use. I just say, just do it. I have a bunch of skill and I just go like load the best model and load the best skills for this task. Fix it. Okay, I feel like add mode is gonna be another day. Let's focus on this. Let's fix the CI/CD on. Well, I don't even know if it's a CI/CD issue. Let's just fix the deployment. Let's wait for the redeployment. Install a Git 7 on 18.6. I know, it's scary. Last time I told my Claude, so now I have like not Opus, Obsidian Vault to keep track of what I'm doing, yeah? And I just told it I wanted to deploy the app on Firebase. To be fair, I already had Firebase CLI on my machine. It just did everything. It did everything so well. And then it just told me, oh, by the way, now you just need to go on Firebase and do this manually. See? Fuck off. Even if I say add anyway, it's not gonna resolve, you see? Yeah. Anyway, the question was what kind of art did you see? But then last time I asked this question to someone else, I was like, oh, sorry, I didn't pay attention. I would pay more attention. I was like, no, 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 no. You're not paying attention to ads. I'm curious, but I'm not that curious. I want my package to work. Your code, not mine. Not mine. I hope that your code is gonna keep working. It did not work. Add other package dependency. This one. Yep, it didn't work, so we remove it. Remove package, and then I need to. You can control in Studio within your app. I'm Studio? LM Studio? I'm confused. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, LM Studio to load local model, stop the models. Okay. What is LM Studio? Local AI on your computer. Well, the quick question would be, how is that different from Olama? Because I have my local Gwen running on Olama. Now, in theory, once this pass, then I could. MacBook Pro, a shared memory. What do you mean shared memory? I would have iCloud if I were to pay for it, which I'm considering, seriously considering to pay for iCloud, but I only get like 50 gigabyte extra, which is not that much. Woohoo! Look at that! I do have a Renee's. This is really cute. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The unified memory, yes. 32 gigabytes of unified memories, yes. And that's probably why if I have my Olama Hermes and damn for what 32 gigabytes, I just went for the top option that was available. But there is limitation because I have Obsidian Hermes, Olama, and so on running, and then it doesn't let me stream. And I question whether it's a memory issue or a Wi-Fi issue because it only freezes my screen, so my visual, but not my voice. So if I wanted to do like a very non-visual stream with just my voice, then I could do a stream like that. I guess I could do something like this. Look, I could do something like this, and then deploy and start Olama, and then I'm just gonna be blocked like that. That would work, right? I just do a stream completely not even blinking. I don't know who would enjoy it, but then I would speak and then they can't see my screen. So I think I keep this set up for when I I don't see. I do not see my base projects. And I am sure. You know what stops me? You know what stops me from having a window PC? I do not have enough space in my place. And I have this screen, which is where I stream from. But it's not a really good screen. I think I want like a telly. Not a telly, but like a 40 to 50 inches screen up there. It would be really nice. My first project. But why is it my first project? Oh, I found them. I found them. I don't think this is it though. Is it? Honestly, at this point, any bigger screen, I don't even care if it's like 2K, 4K. Console Where are my secrets? Environments? No, I don't think so. The other side of Utrecht. Oh. One is better than Amsterdam, I guess. But 45 minutes drive. I don't know. I personally wouldn't, but at the same time, I personally even wouldn't get a job where I need to drive there. Unless it's very convenient for me. Then I don't think the point. Okay, wait. But it's now service account for my first project. I didn't want it for that. Open project picker. No. Yeah, so when I was living in the United Kingdom, I had an hour and a half commute each way on public transport. And it wasn't even like an hour and a half on one train. It was an hour and a half between a train, no, a bus, a train, and the tube in London. It was horrible. I thought I was having a nice tea, and now it's a funny taste. I think I'm too tired to set this one up, to be really honest, but I have to. I can't stop. Oh, here we go. This one. This one. Yes. Action. Manage key. I found a key. Yes, and I couldn't. I was struggling to wake up this morning. So normally I wake up and try to go to the gym before work. No chance. I don't think this week is happening. Oh, and also I have my afstuderen ceremony on Thursday, which also means that I'm not gonna be streaming on Thursday. Okay, I found a key. I found a key. Well, the thing is, I graduated in February, and then my stupid, organization. No, never cum laude. There is no cum laude. There was no effort into getting high grades. Let me tell it. I got the key. Where do I put it on GitHub? Secrets. So nee. Ik heb HBO gedaan. HBO Informatica. And I'm not gonna tell you anything else because otherwise you're gonna find out which city, and where I live, and it's gonna be too much. Yeah, it was my choice because my Italian high school. So, by the way, in Italy we only have high schools. We don't have this MBO, VO. Like we just have normal high school. Which, anyway. So I could have gone to a VU, like those actual university where you do the theory. I was like, nah, I don't care. I'd rather spend 4 years instead of 3, but actually learns to do stuff, not to learn how to teach to do stuff. Basically, that's how I see it. So my own choice to do the 4-year bachelor. But basically, I graduated in February, sorry. And then this is getting too long. I think I'm losing track of it. My school doesn't do a ceremony. It does two, one in December, one in now. So I had to wait for now, which I don't mind, because then I guess at least I do my ceremony in supposedly nice weather. I mean, it's gonna be nice weather, but it's not gonna be warm. Go to your repository on GitHub, setting tab. See of 3 a.m. security. Advanced security. I guess. Thank you anyway for the congrats. I'm just happy not to have to go to school anymore. I don't even call it university. I call it glorified high school. Because that's what HBO is in my views. Click on settings tab. Yes. Scroll down to security session. There's no security. It's advanced security. Okay. Deploy keys. No. But you know what I mean? It's glorify. You have MBO. Yeah, so I call it glorify high school because there was too much them holding your hands. And it just pisses me off. Secrets and viable. Manage environment secrets. New repository secrets. Firebase service account. I have it. Wait, let me not be stupid and expose everyone my crap. But I think it's... Oh, there's no value in there. Oopsie. Verify via email. Verify via email. Mail. GitHub, please verify. Wait. I saw your message, but I'm slightly busy. What are you saying? Coding you did not learn my time in school. I mean, I struggled to learn programming in school at the very beginning because I never really I really never done anything before. I did HTML and CSS. Not even CSS, sorry. I did HTML by myself when I was growing up in okay, let's go. Now I have it set there. So now in theory details rerun all jobs, enable debugging. Let's go. All right, so I never did any programming, and then I just signed up for HBO without even knowing anything. So what happened is